Hey there guys, Diaries Joiner here again. I'm here to tell you guys about what happened at Texas and Florida. That Hurricane Harvey and that Hurricane Irma. I mean, what the hell is going on in those two states? First there was the Hurricane Harvey in Texas, and now there's going to be a Hurricane Irma in Florida? Well, I mean, the Miami Dolphins and the Tampa Bay Buccaneers didn't play last night is because of the Hurricane Irma. And that's why their game will take place on November 19th. That sucks. How could the Hurricane Irma be happening when the Dolphins were supposed to play against the Buccaneers? Well, in case you haven't noticed, Tampa Bay and Miami are both located in Florida. So that's the reason why the Tampa Bay Buccaneers and the Miami Dolphins couldn't play on their first week. But the NFL season must go on. When it's November 19th, then the Tampa Bay Buccaneers and the Miami Dolphins will play. Man, why do these hurricanes have to happen in Texas and Florida? I mean, my man DeAndre Siggas went through Hurricane Harvey. If you want to see his video, check it out in the description down below. And you'll see DeAndre Siggas going through that Hurricane Harvey in his hometown of Texas. Or Houston, Texas, I should say. Jeez, when will the hurricane be over in Florida? Huh? Well, global warming is why. But why did the hurricane have to happen in Florida and Texas? Why? That is so fucking cruel. Shit. Well, goodbye folks. Thanks for watching. And stay safe, Texas and Florida people. I'm sure the hurricane will be over before you know it.